Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Heart Escumban, 32 years old, married with two children, ages 7 and 1 year old. I live in San Felipe, Zambales. I have six brothers and one sister. I am a high school graduate. I have work experience as a household helper, taking care of three family members, including the couple and one 5 years old boy. My main responsibility was taking care of the child, including sending him to school and to his tutorial classes. Aside from childcare, I also do a household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, car washing, and taking care of pets. I consider myself as a hardworking, honest, dedicated, and willing to learn any task given. If you give me the chance to work for your family, I promise I promise to do my best and fulfill my duties responsibly. It would be a great opportunity to me to work in Hong Kong to better support my family financially. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.